Logseq versus Obsidian. Let's get started. So first, we start with Logseq. Logseq is an open source, privacy-first outliner that treats every note like a bullet point block. It uses a daily note-based workflow, perfect for journaling, research, and connecting ideas with bidirectional links. Now, Obsidian, on the other hand, is a local-first markdown note-taking app known for its Firebase storage and flexibility. It's great for building a knowledge base using linked notes, tags and folders, and community-powered plugins. Now let's talk about their pros and cons. So for first, we have Logseq. It has online first format perfect for structured thinking. It also has a built-in task management and queries. It also has full offline access and end-to-end encryptions, and it is open source and highly customizable. Now the downside is though, it has limited visual customization compared to Obsidian and is not ideal for managing large file-based projects, and some plugins are still experimental or in beta. Now for Obsidian, it is very intuitive and has a 5-folder based markdown system. It also has a huge community plugin ecosystem, a graph view and backlinking for PKM and research, flexible UI, themes and advanced customization, and lastly, it has paid sync and publishing options for serious users. Although the downside is it is not open source, there are no built-in task management without plugins, and it requires a steeper learning curve for new users. So in conclusion, choose Logseq if you prefer an outliner format, journal-based workflow, or want a fully open source PKM tool, and then go with Obsidian if you want a highly customizable note system, visual graph tools, and file-based control that scales with complexity.